What I love about this industry and this type of job is that every single job is different. You're dealing with different customers every day, you're at different houses. Sometimes you're working on a beach house with beautiful ocean views, and you can, when you take smoker, you can sit back and have your lunch, and you sort of have your own time. It's awesome. Other companies, you've got to maybe pick up your own product, or you've got to get this and get that and do run around first, whereas with Lifewood, everything's there.
When you go work for Lifewood, everything's done for you. All you do is you turn up, you lay the floor, and you get paid.
Any evening when you get home and just check what's on for next week, the week after, and you're already booked into the jobs. You basically get the job sheet through, touch base with the customer, introduce yourself and just start another fresh job.
If there are any issues, give Lifewood a call, and we're sorting out right away, and the customer sees it because they're there the same day.
Lifewood have these people in place to take that bit of pressure off you, so that you can focus on your job and your job alone.
We walk into the job and everything's ready to go. The product from Lifewood is excellent. It goes together so well and looks beautiful once it's laid.
I found that Lifewood gives me that work-life balance. So I'm busy Monday to Friday, and they don't expect you to work on a Saturday or a Sunday.
Because they're also a family business, so they understand, they get it. And you do have the flexibility and freedom to be able to dictate sort of your life around the job as well.
It's all about that balance of work and life.
That's why I came back, just for an easier lifestyle.
Lifewood stands out more than any of the other companies that I've worked for in the past, from sales to the customer satisfaction and things like that. The communication amongst the company is it stands out for me. If there's something wrong, you pick the phone up. The installation managers will give you a call most days to check out how things are going, and it's just good to have that communication.
We all know each other. I can go to the office and, hey guys, how you doing? And everyone's personal. They offer you coffees, have a good chat with you, see how things are going. The boss always asks for, how's your family doing? And they show care, whereas other companies, they don't. I wouldn't be here if I didn't enjoy it, because I have the choice. If I wanted to go and work for someone else or another company, I can. Nothing's stopping me.
It just stands out so much more than the other companies. The company's happy, I'm happy. I'm working with the best boards. The customer is always happy when we turn up because of the communication levels that Lifewood have got.
So I'm really happy, really happy with it, yeah.